Guys, let's take a peek at a couple of assignments for this week. I'm going to start with finding them in period 6 because they've already had them. The first one is an entry task. It's a personal narrative sort. You just open that up, click on it, and you're going to sort in yes category for a personal narrative, no category for personal narrative. There are 6 items on each side, it lets you know. Just a quick FYI, most of these are opposites. So for example, this one says focus on small moments. There's going to be something in here that says kind of the opposite of that. Oh, tell your life story. So focus on small moments, tell your life story. Those two things are opposites, which would go in a personal narrative, or told in third person and told in first person. You can't use both. So you have to make a decision where that's going to go. There's a couple that aren't opposites, but for the most part, they're opposites. And there's 6 items on each side. Okay, that was your entry task for Monday or Tuesday. Your assignment for Monday or Tuesday was called Personal Narrative Topics and Small Moments. Okay, for this one, you're going to open it up and you're going to set a timer for yourself for 10 minutes if you miss class. I'm going to be giving 10 minutes in class. And during that 10 minutes, you want to fill this topic grid up with as many topics as you can. Just think of maybe birthday celebrations that were memorable. I literally just put a couple ages that I remember my birthday, couple family vacations, and I wrote down here where it says other memorable moments about my daughter falling in a tree well. I didn't finish this because I was in checking with kids, but you probably can get 1 or 2 items in each box. I'm going to go here where it says new sibling or pet, come up to this guy and make bullets, and I'm going to talk about when we got Spur. That's all I'm writing. Spur is our new dog. Ooh, I might actually choose that one this time. Okay, then when you're done with that, you're going to highlight 3 of these that you're going to then come down to the next activity, which is lesson number 3, says small moments. There's a sample that's done for you. So they started with trip to beach, and then you're getting it smaller and smaller. Trip to the beach, playing in the ocean, to catching the perfect wave. So when the person goes to write this story, they're going to really narrow down on that catching the perfect wave. Not that these other things won't be mentioned, but the personal narrative itself will be focused on that smaller moment. For me, this was my example. I wanted to talk about the zip lining vacation, narrowed down to the 9 zips because there was a lot more we did when we were zip lining. And then even smaller to the bee zip. There was one zip line platform that we went to that was full of bees, and my daughter got stung, and we gave her Benadryl. Anyways, long story. But that would work for a personal narrative. Or another example I had was when we went to Hawaii, shrunk it down to snorkeling, shrunk it down to when I was snorkeling and following the turtles. Or my not so fun one, when Kylie fell in a tree well. I realize she's gone and her friend returns, and then I finally see her 30 minutes later. So that's shrinking that down. Come to me at 1:30 with any questions. Hopefully you'll have plenty of time to do this in class, but if you're absent or you didn't have time, there's some good examples for you. Bye.